Hi everyone, this is Amanda with Riley Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac. Just taking some time to go on here and show you how easy it is to start your buying process from the comfort of your own home on RileyChevrolet.com. General Motors has a program called Shop Click Drive, and if you go to our website, you can click on that link at the very top of the page, and this will explain the entire Shop Click Drive process. It's very straightforward, very easy. You can shop for new inventory and used inventory, just a few clicks away. So let me show you how it works. I'll go ahead and decide to shop new inventory from this icon. And I think I'm going to select a Chevy Equinox as the vehicle that I would like to research for purchase. So if I scroll down, I can do research on each of these vehicles, click on them for more information. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to show you how to start the buying process from the vehicle search results page. This is going to take you to the Shop Click Drive portal for our website. You can see here all the information about this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. If we scroll down, we can find details about the exterior, interior, safety, packages, warranty, all of that information. We even have the ability to do a value on for trade on Kelley Blue Book. Some of the special offers going on right now happen to be 0% APR for 84 months for approved buyers. You could even make comparisons or contact us, which will give us your information and we'll reach out to you. Or if you'd like, you can start the buying process here, and the buying process will allow you to create your profile, put your trade in, and go through the entire process. It's very self-explanatory, and you even have the ability to upload photos of your driver's license, license plate number if you'd like, and proof of insurance.